Dear students, Namaste. I am Padma, your class teacher. A warm welcome to one and all to the Bharati Vidya Bhavan Public School for the academic year 2021-22. Hope you are all safe and healthy at your home. Bhavans is following CBSE based curriculum and is focused on the holistic development of the child. I am so excited to meet you all on school opening day. In the present circumstances, we need to change and adapt to the upcoming challenges so that we move on to reach our goal. We can face and overcome the challenges together with utmost care and patience. Hi children, let's start our day with prayer. Children, this is our prayer song, Bhavan's prayer song. Please listen carefully and follow the teacher. Okay children, come on, stand straight, join your hands, close your eyes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om. Children, slowly open your eyes and stand straight. Dear parents, before starting our session, let's see some clips of Bhavans.
Bharati Vidya Bhavan's public school was founded in Mumbai on 7th November 1938 by Dr. K.M. Munshi ji. Bharati Vidya Bhavan's public school BHL was established on 18th July 1977. Bhavan's BHL is now teaching from kindergarten to class 10. The Bhavan stands for the reintegration of Indian culture. Bhavans believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family, and its motto is let noble thoughts come to us from every side. Pre-primary education is for children from 3.5 years. It is designed to improve their motor and cognitive skills and enhance their emotional levels by active learning, integration in a group, and identifying and protect the uniqueness of a child. This pandemic has given birth to innovative learning methods. Our teaching videos will cover activities which will develop their motor and cognitive skills. Interactive sessions will develop their socio-emotional skills. School conducts various activities and competitions by placing students in 8 different houses. Pre-primary represents Dhruva House. Parents, together we shall ensure great learning experience for our children.
Children, shall we do some warm-up exercises? If you do warm-up exercises regularly, we will get good health, concentration and strong bones. Okay children, so we have to do exercises every day. Shall we do now? Come on, children. First, put your hands straight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay. Shall we do next one? We will go for next one, children. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next one. Stretch your hands like this. You have to twist the feet. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one. Come on. Children, stand straight and stretch your legs like this. Okay, now come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children, come on, let's do some physical actions. All these actions already you know. Every day you will be doing all these actions. Okay, children? Now let's start. First one is clapping. Just you join two hands and make a sound. Come on, clap, clap, clap. What is this? You also do with the children. You also follow the teacher children. Okay? Clap, clap, clap. What is this? Clapping. Clapping. What is this action, children? Clapping. Okay. Next one is running. What is this? Running. Run, 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 run. What is this action? Running. Okay. So, next one is, see this? What is this? Jumping. Yes, you told all of you correctly. Okay, what is this action? Jumping. Okay, what is this? Jumping. Okay, shall we do next one? What is next one? Come on, say what is this? When you ask like this, when you are thirsty, then you ask water, drinking, no? How we drink the water? Like this. So, what is this action? Drinking. You drink water, milk and all, no? Juices and all. So, what is this action? Drinking. Okay. Next one is, I will show you, you have to find out the action. See. What is this? Eating. What is this? Eating. Okay. Eating. Okay. So, these 5 are actions, children. Okay. Shall we revise again? First one is, what is first one? Clapping. Next one is running. What is this? Running. So, next one is jumping. What is this? Jumping. Next one is drinking. What is this? Drinking. Last one is eating. Okay, these are action words. Okay, children, let's sing some rhymes. Children, you listen carefully and sing with teacher. Okay, children, ready? Ready? Yeah? Okay, come on. First, we will sing Twinkle Twinkle. This Twinkle Twinkle all of you know, and you will enjoy the rhyme. Okay, children, come on, show all of you. Twinkle twinkle little star, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky, like a diamond in the sky. Shall we sing once again? Come on, children. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Good. Okay. Shall we sing another one? Ready? Now we are going to sing one more rhyme. Children, second one is hand. Show all of your hands. What are these hands? Okay. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go stamp, stamp, stamp. Two little legs go stamp, stamp, stamp. Two little eyes to see, see, see. Two little eyes to see, see, see. Two little ears to hear mother call. Two little ears to hear mother call. One little nose to smell, smell, smell. One little nose to smell, smell, smell. One little mouth to say good night, mommy. One little mouth to say good night, daddy. Okay, shall we sing once again? Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go stamp, stamp, stamp. Two little eyes to see, see, see. Two little ears to hear mother call. One little nose to smell, 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 smell. One little mouth to say good night, mommy. Good night, papa. Okay? Children, what is this? Yes, this is fish. In Hindi, we call as machali. What is this in Hindi? Machali. Now, we will sing one Hindi rhyme. Okay, children, ready? Yeah? Okay. Machali jal ki rani hai. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी. ऊपर निकालो सो जाएगी, ऊपर निकालो सो जाएगी. Shall we sing once again, children? Come. मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगा वो डर जाएगी, हाथ लगा वो डर जाएगी. ऊपर निकालो सो जाएगी, ऊपर निकालो सो जाएगी. Children, let's sing one Telugu rhyme. Okay, children, come on. చిట్టి చిలకమ్మ. See here, what? Who is this? Parrot, చిలకమ్మ. Okay. చిట్టి చిలకమ్మ, తోటకెళ్ళావా? చిట్టి చిలకమ్మ, తోటకెళ్ళావా? పండు తెచ్చావా? పండు తెచ్చావా? గూట్లో పెట్టావా? గుటక్కు మింగావా? గూట్లో పెట్టావా? గుటక్కు మింగావా? Shall we sing once again, children? చిట్టి చిలకమ్మ, అమ్మ కొట్టిందా? తోటకెళ్ళావా? పండు తెచ్చావా? గూట్లో పెట్టావా? గుటక్కు మింగావా? Nice, children. These rhymes you have to sing every day. Okay? Bye, children. Dear parents, kindly make the children sing rhymes regularly to develop language, vocabulary, imagination and dramatization. Okay, parents?